Hey everybody, it's Bat from Xorcist, and I wanted to just say hi and let you know that there is the live show coming up on August 2nd in Sacramento at Blue Lamp. This is put on by Club Seance. Lots of great DJs and a lot of good fun and no pressure, but the first live show I've done in 22 years, so come on down. It's cheap. It is 21 and over, and I hope to see a lot of you there. I thought I would give a little tour of what to expect for that show. Welcome to my studio, which is currently set up to do practice for the upcoming live show. You can see here in the messy studio, I've got the Dynacord rhythm stick. Vintage 80s, most likely, still working. I say a prayer every night that it keeps working. I know that the RAM inside is bad, and I did buy the RAM chip needed, but I don't want to fix it just yet in case I destroy it altogether, and that would suck. There are some presets built in, and each preset allows me the space needed to get the show done. Here's the guitar I'll be using for the show, and yeah, I know in the past, Xorcist has said, I'll never use guitars, man. But you know what, we all change. And I'm happy to eat crow because, yeah, it really added to the God track, and I'm kind of enjoying playing around with it. I am not using it conventionally. I am using it with the EBO. So, well, at least for one song. But I'm having some fun with it. A little bit of history. This is Budweiser Aria, and I know some of you are like, wait, what? What is that? So the story is I worked for a distributor in Northern California, way north, up in Eureka, years ago. And I was the point of sale manager, which meant all the neon signs and whatnot. So they did have a True Music program, and one of the guitars came in as part of a neon display. Problem with it was this. It says truck music, not True Music, truck music. And in the world of point of sale, you can't have that. So I called them up and I'm like, hey, look, you varnished this guitar and it says truck music. That's not going to do. So they sent out another one to replace it with, and they're like, just trash the other one. So, of course, I trashed it in my car. Anyways, those are the two instruments I'll be playing live. The guitar is going through this $5, I think I paid at a flea market. It's the Zoom 707-2 Focus. And it's pretty cool, Does a lot, and I hardly use it. So, but for what I do use it, it's pretty cool. So this is just a quick little simulation of front of house, getting my feeds from the computer. They'll be getting 8 tracks, so my IEMs will live up there with them. And the JDXA here pretty much is the brains of the outfit. This handles not only the vocals and the vocoder and the effects and all the 4 effects. I have another video out there somewhere explaining the vocoder. It's pretty cool. It takes the place of that whole other rig I posted pictures about. And then we've got the Behringer mixer over here, which I love. It's very handy and versatile, and will help out in ensuring that this show hopefully sonically goes smoothly. And then we've got the laptop here, which is running Reaper for all you nerds out there. So the laptop, it will be driving the video, and also, you'll notice, it will be driving the light show. So I've got my DMX box here also being driven over here by CompuShow. And then, of course, I'll be playing some live parts as well. In other news, the Bad Mojo soundtrack has been released. You might have seen me post about that. That's a soundtrack I did years and years ago, and it's now finally being released on vinyl. So head on over to Ghost Ramp Records, and there'll be a link somewhere in this video, I'm sure. And you can pre-order it now. So I would jump on that before they sell out. And then there's my Big Cartel site of various Xorcist stuff you can buy. That's also new. And then just a wall of stuff. Anyways, hope you enjoy the quick little tour of the studio and news of things to come. I hope to see you on the 2nd, and I will talk to you all soon. Time to push that button that stops it all.